We've heard concerns from some of you over a proposed new, basically a garbage transfer station that could be going in Scott County.
A permit request shows that it is proposed to be built about 500 yards from an elementary school. Our Lexi Lepoff with us now. And Lexi, you are taking a closer look at the file documents and you're finding out where that project stands right now.
Yeah, Brittany and Ted, proposed plans to build a waste transfer station in Winfield has caused an uproar from parents and teachers. With this proposed location just across the street from an elementary school, they tell me they don't think it would be safe for students.
It would diminish everything that we've worked for years that we've done.
Proposed plans to bring a new garbage facility to Scott County causing a stir.
It's just that if we know that we can prevent it, I don't understand why we wouldn't take those precautions now.
A permit request submitted to the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation to build a waste transfer station in Winfield. Documents detail proposed plans to create new rail access off the existing Norfolk Southern line. From there, rail cars will go to a transfer facility where waste can be offloaded to trucks, then to the landfill.
The most ideal outcome for me personally is to, and I think a lot of Scott County residents will agree, is to not have it, period.
The proposed property is across the street from Winfield Elementary School, just about 500 yards away, creating major concerns from parents and teachers.
Sometimes it's not so good at home, so we want to create the best learning environment that they can. They shouldn't have to worry about going outside on the playground and dealing with odors from trash, things blowing in on their playground. They shouldn't have to worry about their health being compromised.
I brought these concerns to Knox Warner, the facility manager listed on the application. He says he has no comment at this time. TDEC tells me the application was filed at the end of May. Review found it was missing some criteria, and the agency expects a revised application soon. Neighbors say they hope their concerns will be taken seriously.
You know, school is a place that we want to help. They want to grow. We want them to do the best they can. We don't need to combat what's going on the outside with that.
Now, I've heard from many of you with concerns over a rumored new second landfill coming to Scott County in addition to the possible transfer station. I did some digging on this, and Oneida Mayor Linda Phillips-Jones posted to Facebook on May 21st saying they were in the information gathering phase. I followed up with her over email asking where that project stands, and she tells me she's not been made aware of any progress. I reached out to TDEC to see if any permits had been filed about creating a second landfill, and they said that they're going to look into it for us. We know that this is something that's very important to you. I've heard from so many of you, and you can trust us to keep digging and finding answers out about this. As soon as I hear back from TDEC,